Hey everyone, this is Chance Braswell, Delta Canine Solutions, here with Board and Train Kilo. Kilo down? No, down? Good. Show you a little bit of Kilo's off-leash training here. So if you notice when I said down, I didn't tell him to stay. He just automatically stays. Here. Good boy, Kilo. Good job. Good job, Kilo. Kilo's also been taught to automatically lay down when he's called to us. Okay. Here. Good job. Sit. Good. Kilo, here. Good job, buddy. Good job. And we're going to help him out here because he didn't do an automatic down. Down. Good job. Okay. Now let's take this boy back home off leash. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great weekend. We're enjoying the weather. Thank y'all.